If you have a 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee and your radiator is leaking, today I'm going to tell you how to fix it in less than 30 minutes. Begin by removing your intake pipe. I'm doing extra work, so don't mind that. Remove your intake pipe, drain your coolant. You don't want to make a mess. Take your lower radiator hose off, upper radiator hose. Then you're going to take all the clips off of this. So 1, 2, 3, and then same thing on the other side. You're going to pull this up. You're going to pull this up. And then you're going to have 110, another 10. That clip, this, believe it or not, will hold the whole thing. So take that clip off. You got a 10, 13 right here. Remove this so it's out of the way. It's right back there. You can see it. Another 13 right there. A 10 behind this. 10 right there. 10 right there. Another clip. A 10 behind that. And then you're going to pull this piece straight up. It's not going to come up far, but it's going to come up far enough for you to get leverage so you can pull the radiator back out of the brackets and then just straight out. To remove the fan shroud, all you do is unplug it and then pull straight up. It comes right out. Hopefully that helped, and if it did,